Hello guys, I suddenly leaked one without filming this and the money by the time you guys see this, yeah, it's you can tell it is another cloudy a cooler a little bit snowy winter day trip, yeah. You can tell we got a cone of snow on the grass wet skin, but let's become more common trade into hormone. So yeah. So we got bleaching coming to this space. So and first bleaching in 5 years. So the yeah, but you can tell my based on my band now now it's time for you to pack up whiskey and head over to Dash Fusion. But yeah. Yes. Happy Sunday, guys. Hope everyone is joining the latter part of the week. But yes, last time though. But yes, so man, so yeah, but the plan for 3 is once it finishes on packing the dead. So I think I might hit on a walk before the snow starts. But yeah. So man, so yeah. So we'll do no vlogging over there to like get back from the walk. So yes, so man, so without further ado, I'll pretty much start packing up now. Alright guys, so back up walking now. Yeah, and so now the weed after now just a little bit yeah, as you can tell I mean I'm on Ortega Drive now, yeah. As you can tell, it is still pretty cloudy. It's still a little bit snowy out there though, but at least the heavy stuff I see is about it. But yeah, but as you can tell, we got some snow on the ground, but not a lot yet. But this control it is still be packed up on the ground. Whiskey, so man, but yeah, so overall it's been a good day overall. Yeah, so far I just packed up over most and just relaxed for a little while before heading on over to Dead Soon touch party, yeah. So yeah, and I also meet some of the teams in Paradise and over to Weed Machine, which is all good, but yeah. So I'm not I got everything pretty much unpacked and now just enjoying the last bit of driveway before the snow rise. But yeah, like earlier, we were here had our first bleaching in over 5 years and it's snow again. But yeah, but this time it'll be a fast mover. It'll be starting seeing and ending tomorrow morning, probably around mid-morning or so. So man, so yeah, but yeah, so we begin less than over 22 30 plus centimeters and high winds with speaking and 110 kilometers an hour. So yeah, so it'd be very windy and snowy late early tomorrow morning. So yeah, so man. So yeah, but hopefully we won't lose power though. If it wind is a question overhunting though, but yeah, because last place we had back in January 2020 we had wind speeds and wind gusts well over 100 and we had wind gusts and at one point during the day during the summer again and 157 kilometers an hour at the airport and the wind gusts must have been higher than them that all. But yeah, so man, but there. But like I said, we never lost power out the mountain door some again. But I think probably been over dead. So don't some again though. But anyway, with you him we reached the place of Blam that with the please be the slow mover or to be the fast mover I say oh hopefully you won't lose power and if you do it'll only be off for a few seconds only or if you minutes or and hopefully not too longer than that though, but oh well. So yeah, but at least I'm able to enjoy the last bit this afternoon before the snow actually lifts it over. Yeah, so that's all good. So man, but look at that, we still got pictures of sun right now time. So so that's it. But yeah, but at least hopefully we'll see the sunset with the blizzard fall too. So but yeah. But anyway, so I'm done talking now, and I'll pretty much talk to you guys about over to the judgment studio of my screen. Okay guys, so over to the judgment studio now. It's now just about 3 o'clock p.m. already. Yeah, as you can tell, we got a decent amount of snow here though, but it's definitely a lot more than we had earlier this we could have found the snow flurries we had all week and so far. But yeah, because we actually lost a decent amount of snow without the rain we had on Friday. So yeah, but oh well. But yes, so some people are about to leave it now and head on the rest of the walk now. Yeah, so now I'm just going over to the Peter paid up for a quick look, quick walk around the pretty much heading back home there. I'll be heading back home the lottery, which over to the west end of Sophia Powell from Dutch Powell. But yes, so up here talk to you guys back over to the Peter paid up. Alright guys, so just go over to the Peter paid up for the park was good. Yeah, as you can tell, you got a decent amount of snow over here. Well, a lot more than what we had on the ground earlier the weekend. But yeah, so but yeah, but it's still not a lot of snow yet. But yeah. But you can tell the sun is still peeking to the clouds at times, so that's not good. But so not much so nice over here now, West Indies. So man, so yeah. So overall, y'all joined the walk. Not this. I'll just go be go around the park now, and then I'll be heading on my way back home. But yeah, so man, so just try best to be careful on all the ice over here by skin. Oh yeah, it's the water dust that's on the ground over here for the rain we had pretty much all falls over again. So man, so we got an uphill come up here, so better be careful going up here now. Oh yeah, yep. It's take it easy, but take it easy, yeah. Just like the eagle says. So, man. So yeah. So just walking past the baseball field over here. Oh yeah. Yep. There's the dune over here. I sometimes use the washroom to not this time, and yeah, there's none on the go in the trip. Yeah, but there's sometimes oh party over there going on in the yes, but for that trip, but oh well, but anyway, so so yes, but anyway, so I'm going to enjoy my mountain biking. Yeah, I'll pretty much talk to you guys back over to the west end of Street Farm from Touchbar Road. Right guys, so just meet over to the west end of Street Farm from Touchbar Road. Yeah, as I told you, got a beautiful parking lot here, but I got a few parked over here. Now it's gonna be, yeah. But as you can tell, you got snow lights on the pond wasting oh yeah. So yeah, but you got a lot more to add on to that towards the evening and tomorrow morning. So man, so yeah. But no one on the ice since I'm pretty sure it's not safe to go skiing on or do on or whatever. Yeah, and yeah, you can tell that by the amount of water we have on the pond over here. So yeah, so that's old pond that's clear of snow and ice. So I was just waiting on. Just some people on the way home now. It's just yes. So it's a walk not next, but yeah. Because I'll be home for the rest of the day now. Just waiting on the region and on I see yeah. So do some relaxing at home. I should won't be much more vlogging now to the rest of these, so I'll be like talk to you guys at the very end of the vlog. Okay guys, so there's nighttime wasting, yeah. As you can tell, it is pretty stormy out there wasting, but yeah, with snow and so far, and we picked up later though, but yeah. So yeah, we believe we got a pretty snow on the ground wasting, so yeah. And after having less snow on the ground for the past few days this weekend, we had, but yeah. So man, so yeah. So yeah, it is a first place let's say in over 5 years, but yeah. So man, but anyway, just just getting myself ready for bed now, yeah. So just really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I am sorely enjoying the vlog, but yeah. But that's tomorrow as now I'll be off work or probably end up being the lead working I tell them yes, this don't the police blows over, yes. So man, and if I'm lead working accountable, and then I probably end up going into work in the afternoon or late morning, and that when the delivery will be done though. But oh well. But we really see what happens though. But as now next year I'll be I'll work to yeah for where I see yes, and not see, but yeah, and and if that's the case, I'll pretty much be off work. I choose it too. Since I'll be get my Skype premium on Saturday afternoon. Sorry, Tuesday afternoon. Too sorry for getting the days mixed up, but oh well. But oh when I'm by, but but I definitely not look forward to getting the Sky Vision Premium, but oh well, it is what it is. It's gotta be done. It have my phone here, but man, yeah, so man, so as now I'll be going into work basically Thursday Friday yep, that's if work doesn't open up for the medical deliveries or production 20 on forward. So yeah, so man, so but anyway, so they know I am pretty sure stop talking now and I'll previous updates while so I previous hope you guys enjoy the work week though, and also the Super Bowl is on around February, so yeah, and I hope everyone is enjoying it nonetheless, and I hope everyone is enjoying me and nachos as well, so yeah, so yes, man, and yeah, so yes, and yeah, and hopefully hopefully your favorite team wins, but that's the oh uh but that's Kansas City or Philadelphia. So yeah, so man, so yeah, so man, and yeah, so man, but anyway, yeah, but I'm talking now for pretty much over 4 minutes now, so I'll pretty much stop talking now, and I'll pretty much not been listen, I'll pretty much talk to you guys before, so over and out.